Hey, CJ. Hey, look, Chris. Hey, look. I got this shit I want to do for my wife real quick. I got some shit like,
Too patient, too patient. I shouldn't have waited.
You think you can play something to that? You think you can put something with that? Make something real quick. Do that real quick. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah. Just like that right there. You're bad motherfucker. Real talk.
Tell your mama I said thank you for my trophy. Good thing come to those who wait, I take it slowly. I feel sorry for the niggas there before me. To share my heart, I had to go destroy the old me. Yeah. The timing was perfect, and girl, it is worth it. We riding our own wave, and I love how you surf it. It costs to be the boss, and for you I will purchase anything from cars and homes, girl, fuck all them purses. This shit had to happen, just look how it happened. It looks like a movie, and it feels like magic. I'm riding with you, baby, and now we ain't crashing. I love when you're smiling, I'm good when you're I was a tad bit too patient, baby, I shouldn't have waited. Been in my feelings for lately, I should have been in its greatness. Left my heart for the taking, it turn cold if you break it. The love is real, ain't no faking, fuck whoever that hate it. I was a tad bit too patient. Too patient, too patient. I was a tad bit too patient. Too patient, too patient. I was a tad bit too patient. I should've waited. I was a tad bit too patient. I should've waited.